Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in a Fiat 500L. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a drain pan, a new oil filter, and 4 to 5 liters of fresh, full synthetic oil, typically 5W30 or 5W40. Safely raise your car on jack stands or ramps. Then, locate and remove the engine's lower sound insulation, often held by 10mm bolts and Phillips screws, to access the drain plug and filter. With your vehicle safely elevated, position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Using a 13mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug and allow the old engine oil to flow out completely. While the oil drains, locate the cartridge-style oil filter, often found near the right drive shaft. Use a 27 or 32mm socket to slowly loosen and remove its housing, being mindful of any residual oil. Once the old oil has fully drained, replace the used oil filter element and the rubber O-ring on the filter housing cap with new ones. Lubricate the new O-ring with a little fresh oil before installation. Carefully screw the filter housing back into place, tightening it to 25 Newton meters. Then, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring a new washer is used if applicable, and torque it to 25 Newton meters or 20 foot-pounds. Now it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Using a funnel, pour approximately 4 to 5 liters of the recommended full synthetic oil into the engine's filler cap. After filling, check the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Start the engine briefly, then recheck the level. Finally, reset your oil change reminder light by turning the ignition on, pressing the accelerator 3 times within 10 seconds, and then turning the ignition off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.